Today we will study exponents and powers. Now what are exponents? Exponents means powers or index of a number which tell us how many times a particular number is multiplied by itself. Let us take an example, 10 square. How it is read? It can be read as 10 squared or 10 raised to 2. Now in this example 10 square, 2 is the index or it can be called as exponent and 10 is the base. 10 square is nothing but 10 is multiplied 2 times, that is 10 into 10, which is equal to 100, that is 100. Similarly, 1 lakh can be written as 10 raised to power 5. Now we will study the laws of exponents. Let us start by an example. 5 square multiplied by 5 raised to 4. 5 square is equal to 5 into 5. Similarly, 5 raised to 4 is 5 multiplied 4 times, that is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That means in total 5 is multiplied 6 times. Therefore, 5 square multiplied by 5 raised to 4 is equal to 5 raised to 6. Now the same example can be written very quickly as 5 raised to 2 plus 4. That means 5 square multiplied by 5 raised to 4 is equal to, we have to add the indices. That means in general form the first law of exponent can be written as a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now second law of index is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Let us explain with the help of an example. 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 5 means 2 has to be multiplied 5 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we have to divide this 2 raised to 5 by 2 cube. That means 2 into 2 into 2. Now from the numerator and the denominator 3 2's are getting cancelled. So the answer is 2 square, and 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2 is equal to 4. The same answer can be achieved by using the second law of exponent, that is 2 raised to 5 minus 3. That is 2 raised to 5 minus 3 is 2. Now third law of exponent is a raised to m whole raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m into n. Let us discuss the same by taking an example. 10 cube whole raised to 2. That means this 10 cube is multiplied how many times? It is multiplied 2 times. Therefore 10 cube into 10 cube is equal to 10 raised to power 3 plus 3, which is 6. Now the fourth law of exponent is a raised to 1 is equal to a only. For example, 7 raised to 1 is equal to 7 only. Generally we don't write if the index of any number is 1, we write the number itself. Now the fifth law of exponent is a raised to 0 is equal to 1. For example, 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now how it can be got? For example, 2 raised to 0. 0 in place of 0 we can write 2 minus 2. So 2 raised to 2 minus 2 will be 2 square, and minus is there means using second law of exponent it is divided by 2 square. So 2 raised to 2 minus 2 is equal to 2 square divided by 2 square. So 2 square get cancelled and the answer is 1. In this way we can prove that any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1.